AMI Stadium is a rugby, cricket and performance venue in Christchurch, New Zealand. The Paul Kelly stand was built in 2001 and seats 14,000 spectators. The Dean stand was completed in 2010 and seats approximately 13,000. Egress, as shown from the top level, is by a stairway to a vomitory. The stairs split around the vomitory. Each step is edged with Ecoglo, which provides photoluminescent edge differentiation and non-slip properties. When the lights go out, Ecoglo lights up the edge of the step, providing guidance to users going up or down the steps. The lighting is bright enough to provide this guidance all night. Ecoglo aisle lighting allows venues to become multi-purpose and thereby achieve additional revenue streams. For example, they can be used for both full-light sporting events and concerts where low or no light is required during the performance. Ecoglo's step edgings allow for aisles to be clearly visible in all conditions. This also enables safe access to concession stands, providing additional revenue. Pale green with a contrasting anti-slip strip, Ecoglo provides excellent step edge contrast in daylight, helping to prevent slips and falls in a facility. With abrupt darkness, Ecoglo is visible immediately, giving a sense of safety and security to the patrons in an emergency situation. The Ecoglo manufacturing process involves heat curing to integrally bond the active ingredients into an aluminium substrate, allowing it to stand up to the rigors of high foot traffic. The integration of handrail lighting along with lighting on the steps dramatically improves the usability of the system, offering a tactile reinforcement of the lighting cues the user is receiving. The concourse is lit with conventional electrical lighting, as there is no clear pathway through it and there may be obstacles present. At AMI Stadium, egress is provided by a combination of scissor ramps and high-volume stairways. As the user enters the ramp or stairway, the electrical system gives way to the Ecoglo system, which is a combination of handrail, guidance strips and central path highlighter discs. The highlighter discs are required to provide additional visual cues because of the width of the ramp. Ecoglo is a key element in the emergency systems at AMI Stadium. In crowded situations, overhead lighting is often wasted on the heads of the crowd, thus causing the crowd speed to diminish because of an inability to see where to walk. Ecoglo on-the-ground egress lighting, therefore, provides a greater level of safety than standard emergency lighting sources. Studies have shown that low-light egress systems, such as Ecoglo, have greater crowd velocity and therefore the potential to evacuate more people in less time than the conventional electrical solutions. With careful design, a practical, cost-effective egress system can be built for all buildings. Ecoglo have created a best practice document and architectural specifications which can be downloaded from their dedicated stadia and arenas website. New Ecoglo exit signs are being used in the latest projects to offer a more sustainable and fail-safe option to electrically lit exit signs.